si putak air kebun. Cicilan Beli kesal ngomprot terus enak beli kesal ngomong keongi teteh kareun bakal jadi kita very good very well Bapak Besan tau nyaman dulu Miss Angel ya besawe Ansan disawe di Bapak Besan Bapak Besan Bapak Haji Besa, very good, very well.